Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Boy, and do we have an exciting week ahead as we launch into our topics for the month of September. I'm not going to spoil the surprise because Victoria is on hand to get us started. Take it away, Victoria.
Hello, Lilligans and friends. Welcome back to Fusion Writing. This week, since we're starting off on a whole new set of modules, for the compass, I just want to give you a brief overview of where we're headed. So we've talked a lot about story structure, and Kathleen has given you a really nice heading through the character traits and different ways that you can capture and use those as you're not only remembering your story, but building your story and your characters. So what I want to tackle with you this week is let's talk about, let's call it the character doctor. What do you do when your characters either go off in a direction that you did not expect and you just follow along and write them and then wonder what to do about it? What do you do when a character refuses to speak to you? They're essentially giving you the silent treatment and you can't get anything out of them, but you still need to do the writing. Or what do you do when a character goes horribly sideways and you're thinking, I have no idea how I'm going to make this work in my story, and now I've got this character that's just gone rogue? That's what we're going to address. We're going to doctor all of those little things that your characters do without you, and I'm going to give you some tips to walk through and how to set that right so that your story comes out the way that you want it to, rather than the way your characters hijacked it. So that's where we're headed tomorrow.
Wow, thank you so much, Victoria. This is just amazing. I love that idea. For the character building side of things, we're going to be talking about a group of character traits that fall under the empathy group. And this group is a group that's called sociability. And we're going to explore 4 different levels of sociability that go all the way from the expression that you walk around with on your face to being just generally nice to people, going out of your way to help someone in particular, or how do you behave when you're around someone who is deserving of respect? So this is going to be a fun exploration for tomorrow. But I would like you to think about today to kind of put yourself in the mood of sociability. Start looking at people around you today and noticing what their faces say about them. Did they say, come on over and talk to me, I'm friendly? Or do they say, oh, stay away from me, I'm too good for you? Or does it just say, I'm checked out, I'm not even here? So just watch for that for starters, and we'll join you tomorrow for more detail when we get to the map. Anything else, Victoria?
Nope, as always, somehow, even though we plan these lessons independently, they always manage to dovetail together, because one of the tips when you're dealing with that character gone rogue is do an assessment of them. Look at their body language, look at how they're coming across, look at what their goals and motivations might be. We're going to dig into all of those things to help you get a handle on those characters. So once again, and as always, tune in tomorrow because we're going to bring you some amazing content to help you get those words on the page.
Okay, talk to you later. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.